Since its introduction in 2015, the RadRover has not only changed the way we think about e-bikes, it's changed the whole industry. And now, 6 years later, and as the best-selling e-bike in North America, I'm thrilled to walk you through the new features and years of in-house engineering that have been poured into this all-new, patent-pending RadRover 6 Plus. The RadRover 6 Plus has everything that made our riders fall in love with our flagship model, plus more comfort, more ease, and more versatility. It features a newly redesigned frame with enhanced ergonomics and ride handling. To better accommodate a wide range of rider heights, both the high-step and step-through versions have a shorter seat tube and handlebar height. As for the step-through versions of the bike, we've lowered the head tube and repositioned the location of the battery. We've developed a new, custom 750-watt geared hub motor expertly dialed in-house by our team of electrical engineers. This will provide better low-end torque, more confident ride feel, greater efficiency, and best of all, stunning hill climbing capabilities that will impress even the most seasoned riders. These are exact qualities that rad riders demand from a do-it-all style e-bike. Empowering that experience is our all-new proprietary 14 ampere-hour, 48 volt, and 672 watt-hour semi-integrated battery. When it comes time to charge, the simplified 10 LED readout gives you reliable information on how much power you have left at any given time. We've equipped this model with hydraulic brakes and ceramic brake pads for the first time in Rad's history. These brakes respond to a lighter touch, giving you more control over your ride and greater stopping power. And thanks to their ergonomic design, these new brakes make it easier to ride longer. To help you navigate difficult roads with even greater ease, the durable Rad Power Bike's custom suspension fork has preload adjustment to adjust the spring stiffness, as well as a lockout lever. It also has 60 millimeters of travel, and it's capable of complementing a wide range of rider weights and terrain. And to help you operate your bike more easily, we provided our new intuitive, patent-pending Rad user interface. The Rad remote on the left side of the handlebars allows you to adjust your pedal assist and turn your bike on and off with ease, even when you're wearing gloves. And the Rad display in the center of the handlebars lets you track your ride stats in real time, from how many miles you've racked up, to the amount of power flowing into your hub motor. And if you've ever lost track of time while on your bike, the bold display screen has you covered. It features both trip time and a clock, so you can leave your watch at home. A new fender-mounted taillight and halo headlight come standard, making this bike the total package. And if you're a longtime fan of the RadRover, rest assured knowing we've kept all the features that made it famous, including 5-level pedal assist, a twist grip throttle, and our classic puncture-resistant, rugged fat tires with built-in tire liners and reflective sidewalls.
Hey, I'm Mark, product manager here at Charge Electric Bikes. And if you're looking for a bike for conquering the urban jungle or the real jungle, you want to check out the Charge XC. This thing is like the bike equivalent of a luxury SUV with all the off-road options added in. Let's take a closer look. It all starts with the source of power, the battery. That's located inside this tube. You can keep it on the bike for charging, but it's also removable. Smart, right? The battery powers this center-mounted Shimano motor system, which is great because it provides the perfect weight balance for riding off-road. It also houses some advanced sensors that help with the pedal assist system. Want more boost for climbing up a hill? Crank it up to high and have fun. You want more of a workout? Put it down into eco and you become the motor. But look at how awesome and hardcore this frame is. It's totally rugged, but it's also made out of aluminum, so it's really lightweight. 103, 104. You guys going to lunch? Cool. 105, 106. Right here is mission control. It's a handlebar mounted display that gives you all the important information for your ride, like distance, speed, remaining battery range, sports scores, weather, stock prices. So maybe not those last things, but definitely all the important information to help you on your ride. The Charge XC features these Goodyear tires. Yeah, like the ones that are on your car. They feature this awesome all-condition tread pattern that's perfect for taming really rough pavement if you're riding across town, or biting into loose soil if you're mountain biking in the wilderness. They're also puncture resistant, so you don't have to worry about all the road hazards along the way. The XC also comes with our handy air pressure sensors, so you don't have to guess anymore on how much air is in your tires. If it's green, you're good to go. The tires also feature this reflective sidewall, so you can be seen while riding at night. So shiny. Up front, we have an oversized suspension fork, which is great for taming rough roads or adding stability if you're riding off-road over big rocks or roots. We also have powerful hydraulic disc brakes for performance in wet or dry conditions. And look at this, fenders, a rear rack, and you even got lights. This is really my favorite feature with the Charge line. We have folding pedals and a folding stem that makes the bike really easy for storage or transportation. Like I said, this really is the ultimate SUV of bikes, perfect for riding off-road or around town. Ride it during the weekdays or on the weekend.
And if you love trails, flying over roots and rocks, here is the JAM², our most capable all-mountain e-bike. With the JAM² you can do almost everything. We have two different versions. The tailored energy concept for a big range of use and the more aggressive Bosch version. The tailored energy concept will now be delivered with 760 watt-hours that can split into two halves. So if you want to do a long ride, you can put both batteries with you and you have one of the biggest batteries in the market. This one is the new Bosch version. All versions come with the new Bosch CX motor with 625 watt-hour battery. We got more aggressive with a longer reach, way shorter chain stays. We have a way lower standover and an improved fold linkage with the inside swivel to make more room for a bottle and a low center of gravity. The new JAM² also got 150mm travel, but with the new improved fold kinematics, we get a little bit more progression and you can go harder on that. You still have the choice if you want to do 27 or 29-inch wheels. We have a flip chip that allows you to go one or the other way. And if you have the 27-inch wheels in it, you can also choose the upper position for an even slacker head angle and a little bit more wheelbase. We also keep our bikes well protected with a big chainstay protector with noise cancelling. We have on the front a fork bumper that secures the frame from the fork, but also your cables. And of course the integrated chain guard that takes the chain where it has to be.
In 2016, we introduced the world to the RadCity electric bike in the United States, a groundbreaking e-bike that redefined urban travel. 5 years later, we've taken this award-winning e-bike and completely re-engineered it to be the most advanced iteration yet. The RadCity 5 Plus is the commuter bike that sets a new, higher standard. Put simply, this is a bike that does more so you can do more. Each feature was designed around Rad's core design principles of comfort, range, safety, and utility. So let's jump into it, starting with the all-new frame. We've redesigned this bike to improve weight distribution and create a sportier handling feel without losing the comfortable, upright riding position that has made the RadCity a hit in the US. The custom-designed Rad Power Bike's 27.5 by 2-inch tires help you achieve more control over your ride, and its proprietary tread promises more efficient urban travel. To help you navigate difficult roads with even greater ease, the durable Rad Power Bike's custom suspension fork has preload adjustment for the spring stiffness, as well as a lockout lever. And with 60 millimeters of travel, it's capable of complementing a wide range of rider weights and terrain, and has been fine-tuned over multiple generations of the RadCity. We've lowered the standover height on the high step to accommodate a wider range of riders. And as for the step-through version of the bike, the recommended rider height ranges from 143 to 182 centimeters to make it even more accessible. We've repositioned the location of the battery to make it even easier for riders to mount and dismount. And for the first time in Rad's history, we've equipped this model with hydraulic brakes and ceramic brake pads. These brakes respond to a lighter touch, giving you more control over your ride and greater stopping power. And to achieve greater comfort, they also allow you to adjust the brake lever to fit the size of your hands. We've developed a new custom 250-watt geared hub motor. It's fine-tuned by our team of electrical engineers for the way you ride Rad. The bike features our all-new proprietary 14 amp-hour 48 volt and 672 watt hour semi-integrated battery. It's masterfully engineered in-house for maximum durability and enhanced user experience. And when it comes time to charge, the simplified 10 LED readout gives you reliable information on how much power you have left at any given time. And exclusive to the EU, the RadCity 5 Plus includes a torque sensor system, which when combined with a cadence sensor, measures how hard and how fast a rider is pedaling to determine how much electric power to push to the bike. The results are a more intuitive riding experience. You control the speed and power like you would a normal bike, but you feel superhuman with a torque sensor system. Rounding out the new features is our new intuitive, patent-pending Rad user interface. On the left side of the handlebars, you have the new Rad remote. This allows you to adjust your level of pedal assist and turn your bike on and off with ease, even when you're wearing gloves. It also has an expanded 10-level battery meter, headlight indicator, and an easy view pedal assist level indicator. And the Rad display in the center of the handlebars lets you track your ride stats in real time, like how many kilometers you've racked up, and a clock, so you can leave your watch at home.